Riwruoge mochung' ne arita mag le mag bungu dwaro mondo mi sirikal ober ngima lego e alwora mag North Eastern koloso kod jofwambo jatije ma Wildlife Conservancies e alwora mar Shamaki. Mohamed oywago nok mar apisas ma KWS kod apisas magi e thiro achije manego le kod ywaruok mantiere kind jodak kod le akoro kwa sirikal mondo donji e wachno.
Cannot work in isolation. Wajir alone covers roughly 56,000 square kilometers. Expecting a pastoralist who has lost livestock or witnessed wildlife crime to travel hundreds of kilometers to report a case is simply unrealistic. We need more KWS stations in all our northeastern sub-counties. We need more rangers, better equipment, and a faster human-wildlife conflict compensation system. My appeal to Your Excellency, the President, is simple. Northern Kenya, and in particular Northeastern, deserves the same level of protection and investment as every other wildlife landscape in Kenya. Our wildlife belongs to the Republic of Kenya. It should not matter whether a giraffe is killed in Savo, in the Masai Mara, or in the Dab or Sabuli or Bute. Every loss deserves the same urgency.
Governor Mahoma Bay Gladys Wanga koni kweth mar siasa mora piny Kenya. Nitie thuolo mati molime mar usajenda